everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to remove your profile picture on Soundcloud. To remove your profile picture, first of all you need to open your Soundcloud app or website and go to your profile page. Click on your profile picture. This will open up a menu option for your profile image. Select delete image or a similar option. Delete, remove or clear your profile picture. One of those options will be present there. Then you might be asked to confirm that you want to move your profile picture. Confirm it by clicking again on delete. Once you've confirmed deletion, save your changes to your profile. Note, when you remove your profile picture, it will be replaced with a default image or a placeholder. So you should note that. By following these simple steps, you can easily remove your profile picture from your SoundCloud account. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.